I love to give gifts that have been completely personalized, and I have DIY expert Anita here with me to show us how to make these really neat coasters. So thanks for being here, Anita.
Oh, yeah.
So talk to me about this. It doesn't look overly complicated.
You know what? It's not hard at all.
Okay.
All you're going to use is a tile that you can get at any home store.
Like a hardware store?
Like a hard store, yeah. And then you're just going to sand it a little bit, and then you're just going to start with a thin layer of Mod Podge.
Ooh, I like it. Okay.
Mod Podge.
This might get a little messy.
Yeah, it
I'll
might,
try not to. Okay.
So you're just going to put some right at the top.
Now, are we putting pictures on? What are we doing?
So we're going to do pictures, and you don't have to do pictures. You could also do like pattern paper.
Okay, yeah. I like it. Now, if you're using pictures, are you using actually like the photo paper itself, or do you want to like print them out?
You can do either. It doesn't matter. You can print it at the photo place, so you can print it on your own printer.
Okay, sounds good. So you start with a nice little base coat here, right?
Because that's what's going to adhere your photo on.
Okay, I like it. So you got some pictures here for me.
Yeah, so you're just going to put the picture right on top of the glue.
Okay.
And then you just want to leave it for just a few seconds so it just adheres.
And then we're going to do another coat over top.
Yes.
Okay, so then I'll put one. Ooh, there we go. She's so cute.
Oh, yeah, that's my daughter when she was just a baby.
So this is a really great present for like grandparents,
yes, I
aunties,
made a bunch
uncles.
here. These ones are about 5 or 6 years old, and they've held up amazing.
Wow,
they
that's
look
incredible.
New.
So, and you can actually put like your coffee mug on them.
Yeah, they've been used actually quite a bit.
Nice. Well, that's really encouraging to know, because sometimes you know DIYs, you're like, okay, is it really going to work? Okay, these ones do.
So then you're going to take another coat of the Mod Podge and put it right over the photo.
Right over it.
And the key for this is don't use like a brush stroke up and down. Just use one direction for your brush stroke.
Okay, so just across. Like across.
And like when you're putting on the glue, you're like, oh my gosh,
it's
the
covering up
gone.
The picture.
And it's covering up. But you know what? It dries clear, and it dries clear really quickly.
Okay.
Right to the edge. Yeah. So then you let it dry.
Okay.
And then you do another coat.
So you do 2 coats on it?
You know, 2 or 3, as many as you think you can.
Well, I suppose the more you do, the more liquid or waterproof it is.
And then after your last coat, let it dry for 24 hours or even a little longer.
Okay.
And then you're going to do a sealant on it. A waterproof sealant.
All right, which is, we have like this clear matte finish
but you can also buy a bottle and just paint it on.
Oh, so you have both options then.
And then with the sealant, you want to do a couple of coats. As many, like, you know, when you see it's enough, it's enough.
Yeah. And this is, again, cute project you could do with your kids too.
Yes, you can do with your kids. And it makes such a great gift.
And you're telling me you did this as a teacher gift
I did as a teacher gift. I went onto social media, stole their pictures.
Did you creep their profile?
And it's so easy to copy the photo and send it.
Scary. but again,
they loved it. It was a great gift.
Totally personalized. Well, thank you so much, Anita. Guys, we're going to take a quick break. We'll be right back.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.